Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, different ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, and very attractive ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And ideas of highlights. Much more latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't do without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dart back with new collection. New ideas. Take care and bye bye.